The United Arab Emirates announced on Tuesday that it will leave OPEC on May 1st, stripping the oil cartel of one of its largest producers. The move could weaken OPEC's leverage over global oil supplies and prices. The decision stems from the UAE's unease over OPEC production restrictions, which it felt were too low, meaning it was unable to sell as much oil as it wanted. Additionally, the UAE has had increasingly frosty relations with Saudi Arabia, OPEC's largest producer, over political and economic matters in the region. The differences came under further strain during the Iran war. What could be the impact of UAE's decision on global oil supply chains? Analysts say it's unlikely to have immediate effects on markets. That's because oil supplies have been sharply disrupted by the war in Iran, largely due to the country's closure of the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow waterway which carried 1/5 of global oil supplies during peacetime. Much of the UAE's oil exports transit through this route. OPEC's influence in global oil markets has been waning in recent years, with the United States ramping up crude oil production. Analysts believe the UAE's decision could add to overall global oil supply once peace returns to West Asia. Saudi Arabia has been producing around 10 million barrels of oil per day, while the United States produces over 13 million barrels per day.